Alright, see if my Walmart has anything new. Probably not. They never do. 7.48 jumbo rolls. Jumbo Super Saver. Whoa. Alright, you know what I would like to get though? If they have it. Let's check it out over here. What's over here? What's over here? It's Mainstay. Ain't nothing wrong with Mainstay. $2.98. I remember the days it was cheaper. What we got on clearance over here? Pioneer Woman still got hooks on clearance? Man, Pioneer Woman. Ain't no one wanting your hooks. That's sad. Huh. Okay, more Mainstay. Cotton cones, always the same color. Teeny tiny, little bitty balls of cotton for $2. The tiniest balls of cotton that you've ever seen. Huh. Mandala Ombre. $4.50 on clearance, huh? Well, I don't really need that. Mandala. What's this one? Nifflers. $4.50 on clearance. Anti-pill. Hey, I'm gonna grab one of these and I'm gonna do a comparison video of this and Premier. Yeah, it's good. That'd be good bid, I think. I'll wash it and dry it and whatnot. Come on now. $5.50 for that. I can't use that. My Walmart's kind of always a disappointment. I feel bad bringing you guys there because it's like always the same disappointment time and time again. Well, that's pretty. Pretty. $5.50. Ombre. What do you know? Some of the ombres are $5.50. Not much of any of them, but a couple. Is this the favorite stripes, right? Sure is bright, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see what they got on the end cap. Diamond paintings. That's it, Walmart? That's it? That's all you got for me? You don't even have any new granny square yarn? Not that I would buy it, but you know. You got the display, but it's not full of it. I'm gonna grab this. Oops. Sorry for my camera skills. I'm gonna grab this latte stripes, I guess. Because I don't have it. Believe it or not, I don't. Alright. That's it then, huh? Man, them Super Saver Gemmos look huge, don't they? Only takes 3 balls. Oh, that's a knit blanket. Wow. You still got 700 and some yards, right? You're looking big. Yeah. Wow. What do you know? What do you know? Just a second here. Alright, this is the quickest Walmart video I've ever seen. Ever done in my life. It's also the saddest. Well, I can't say that, but it's one of the saddest I've seen in a while. I just don't need any of this stuff. Although I do think that's beautiful. I always like that one. I'd like to get that and make a pretty hat out of it. Wish it didn't have that wash look to it. Well, that's it then. Walmart. Guys, my trip to Walmart is the same as always. We only have one striped yarn.
What are you doing over here, yarny lady? Find
Very
some
good.
good deals.
No. Oh look, they do got one granny square yarn here. They got a whole end cap, but one granny square yarn.
A whole end cap. I feel like it's shrinking.
It is shrinking. Shrinking to nothing.
Yeah, I was the last person to top stock over here.
You need to start
What? I need to start what?
recommending that they get more yarn.
$9.98, huh? I think this is on sale at Joann's. I don't really like blanket yarn, but I thought of something I wanted to do with it. So, but I'll get Joann's. I'll get it from Joann's. It's on sale today. Eric, there's nothing.
There's nothing. I think you have pretty much
I don't have.
all of this stuff.
I don't have this stuff.
Mandala. It's colorful.
It is very
It's a
colorful.
little whitewashed too, though.
Yeah, it's got that washed effect to it, don't it?
Happy. That's the
Can we look
color.
around tomorrow?
Oh no, is this the
Huh? Yeah, it's the name, the color
just
name.
the name? Really? This one's happy too.
Let me hold that one. Yeah, they're just spawned differently.
They're just all called happy. Oh, I see. I see.
Well, I might just get that one right
Yeah,
there
yeah, amateurish.
to make a hat with it, because I'll color control it. I just been noticing that.
You're so controlling, babe.
Well, I'm not, but
You
some.
control the color.
I just noticed some people on Facebook posted my newest hat, and they use different colored yarns, and I'm like, man, as you say, my hats are dull and dismal.
No.
They're always one solid color, and
They're
they looked
earth tones.
they looked pretty good,
Dull and dismal.
striped up in bright colors, and some of them weren't even in bright colors. Like I saw one in this, and it was beautiful.
Just say they're not bright and cheery, but I find peace in nature, so the earth tones are cool with me. But just not everybody's thing, you know?
I guess. All right, well,
Should we look around for a while?
that's a
Do what?
sad Walmart trip, guys. So this is my Walmart trip. I'm getting this Mandala Happy from Lion Brand and this, so I can do a comparison video. That's what I'm getting. I don't know if I should get this or not. It's really pretty. 482 yards. Can make a pretty scarf out of that. Oh man, it's so much money. Why can't this one be on sale? It's never the one you want on sale. All right, guys. Another sad Walmart trip. I'm sorry. It is what it is, though. But I'm blessed because some people's Walmarts are way worse than mine. I think next time we're gonna go to Michael's because I gotta get some new carrot cakes. I haven't got any of them yet. See you later.